seagull. Ornithologists have identified 44 species of seagulls. The largest such bird has a wingspan of 1.5 meters, and the smallest 0.5 meters. The body weight of seagulls is not very large on average. It ranges from 240 to 400 grams. The body of such a feathered bird is streamlined. Common seagulls make flights in small flocks, and their flights are carried out in a triangular shape. Seagulls are great swimmers and can even sleep on the water. Due to the presence of special glands in seagulls, such birds can drink salt water. This gland is located above the bird's eye and cleans the gull's blood of salt, which the gland secretes through the nostrils. Seagulls are capable of attacking people in flocks, protecting their own space. In the United States, there are even instructions for postmen on what to do during this bird strike. In certain areas, 70% of a seagull's diet is fish excrement. Black-headed gulls can crack eggs in their own clutches and around their clutches if they notice someone while they are laying or in the first days of incubation. In Salt Lake City, there is a granite column 50 meters high, with 2 bronze birds on the globe. Therefore, they are trying to perpetuate the memory of the California gull, which symbolized the state of Utah and saved farmers' crops from locusts in the mid-19th century. In 2011, the Paris Mint presented the Oduin's gull, a rare bird that lives on several Mediterranean islands. Seagulls have swimming membranes, due to which birds of this type move perfectly in the water, but such birds are not classified as marine species. More recently, seagulls have been considered scavengers and serious competitors to crows that live in consumer and industrial waste areas. The smallest member, this is a small gull. The average weight of 100,150 grams. The largest gull is the seagull. The weight of such adults often exceeds 2 kilograms. Seagulls do not have social relations with relatives. They not only occasionally eat other gull species, but also occasionally engage in cannibalism. When a seagull hunts for fish, it can dive headfirst into the water. Of all the types of seagulls, the Californian gull has become the smartest. Unlike other subspecies, these gulls nest on land, in areas far from the ocean. Such a lifestyle of the feathered gull makes Mormons worship the California gull like a divine incarnation of Elohim. When flying, seagulls reach speeds of 110 km/h. Gull colonies often mix. They willingly nest nearby with herons, cormorants, wild ducks, and other species of birds. Gull colonies often mix. They willingly nest nearby with herons, cormorants, wild ducks, and other species of birds. Seagulls are intelligent and curious birds capable of playing games, stealing prey from other birds, as well as stalking other animals, and even taking advantage of humans. Until the age of 4, seagulls have a gray plumage, after which they begin to turn white.